Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to transfer your money in Flutterwave account. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you log into your dashboard on Flutterwave. After you have logged in successful to your dashboard in Flutterwave, next thing you need to do is to click on payments right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on transfers. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on make a transfer. Then right here, select transfer to bank account. Next thing you want to do is to simply come down here and click on start transfer. Then right here, make sure transfer to an individual is selected. Then click on start transfer. Then from the top right here, you have to come here and choose the balance you want to transfer from. So I want to transfer from Ghana cedi. So I'm going to click on here to select. Then you have to come here and enter the amount you want to transfer in cedis. So I'm going to transfer 530 cedis. Just like so. And this is the amount I'm getting in Naira. Next thing we want to do is to select the bank name right here. So I'm going to simply click on here to choose my bank. So this is my bank. Then the next thing we want to do is to enter account number. So I'm going to go ahead and get my account number. So I'll click and hold down and copy my account number. Then I'm going to click and hold down here and paste my account number. Then having pasted the account number, then it's going to retrieve your account name. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here and then click on confirm transfer. Then right here, confirm transfer. So this also amount is going to my bank. Simply click on confirm transfer. The code is sent. Then I'm going to copy the transfer code. I'll click and hold down. I'll paste the code right here. Then I'll make sure I scroll down right here. I will click on confirm OTP for the transfer. So transfer done successful. So it's as simple as that. Then you're going to have it pending right here. Okay. So by the time we refresh the transaction page, let's wait. Now you can see transfer successful. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to transfer your money from Flutterwave to your bank account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Flutterwave topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.